Ever wonder who invented the zipper? It wasn't always a simple pull. Elias Howe, the sewing machine pioneer, patented an automatic, continuous clothing closure in 1851. But his design was a complicated hook-and-eye system, far from the zipper we know today. The first practical version, the clasp blocker, debuted in 1893 by Whitcomb L. Judson Dutton. It was initially designed for footwear, aiming to replace shoelaces. However, Judson's device was unreliable, often popping open unexpectedly. Gideon Sundback, a Swedish-American electrical engineer, revolutionized it in 1913. He developed the hookless fastener No. 2, featuring interlocking teeth for a much stronger bond. B.F. Goodrich coined the name zippers in 1923 for their rubber boots, and it stuck. From clothes to luggage, the zipper became one of the world's most fundamental fasteners, closing billions of items daily.